Welcome to your Active Senior Rebounder 5-Day Challenge.
Welcome to your Senior Boomer Bounce Beginner Rebounder 5-Day Progressive Routine. I'd like you to have a safety step here. My rebounder is approximately a foot off the floor. So that transition I find really helpful, as well as the assurance of having your T-bar or U-bar. This is called a stability bar. Please, I highly recommend that you have one, especially if you are an uber beginner, senior, have some stability issues, some dizziness. This is a must. I am going to leave the shoes or no shoes entirely up to you. I personally find that it's a personal preference. There is not a universal standard in that particular department. So, glasses on. Our 5-day beginner rebounder routine, day 1 is 7 minutes. It's get comfortable on the rebounder. Day 2 is 9 minutes. We are adding some coordination. Day 3 is 11 minutes. And the theme of that is a little more endurance. So we're building endurance incrementally as we progress. Day 4 is 13 minutes and we're adding some variety and some confidence. And finally, day 5 is 15 minutes. And the theme for that is full beginner senior rebounder routine. So I want you to go at your pace. If you want to do day 1 for 5 days straight until you progress to day 2 and so on, that's entirely your choice. I don't know your body, only you know your body. Fit this into whatever works for your body and your needs. The goal is to get to that final day 5 and have fun doing it. So there's the setup. Let's get going and warm up day 1 right now. Starting here with a gentle health bounce. Welcome to day 1. We're building confidence today. Let's go over some form. So our feet are flat-footed, pushing down into the mat. This is a health bounce. We have a slight bend in our knees. They are not locked out. Our core is engaged tight as if someone's about to punch you in the gut and you're prepping for it. Your chest is proud and your shoulders are back down away from your ears. They are not clinched up here. Relax those shoulders and your gaze is forward. You are holding on to your stability bar. You're here to make your fitness deposit into your wellness tank. You've got a smile on your face. Thank you for joining me for this 5-day routine. We are going to transfer into a gentle side to side, transferring our weight. So shift side to side, transferring our weight, practicing, shifting that weight side to side. So a gentle little bounce each side. We're acclimating the body to being on an unsteady surface, getting used to that. Nice rhythmic movement here, shifting and transferring that weight one side to the other. If a move, for whatever reason, doesn't work for you throughout this entire series, the whole 5 days, if it doesn't work for you, I want you to return to a health bounce or a gentle march in place in its place. Never hold your breath, keeping that core engaged. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Heel, tap it forward. Now, if you don't want to have a bounce, you're just tapping the heel without the bounce. You are on an unsteady surface and still reaping the benefits of being on that unsteady surface. But if you wanted to, and you're ready to, you can incorporate a mini bounce in between. Flexing that foot in front, tapping the heel in front of you, alternating between left and right. Don't worry about what lead leg you're starting with. Each move, if you haven't noticed already, is 60 seconds. Just helps us really get it down pat. Practice it without the pressure of a timer going every 30 seconds and shifting different moves, right? So this just helps us stay in one place, get it down pat. Practice it. No bounce. You're here. You're moving your body on an unsteady surface. And let's bring this now into a march in place. So this right here does not have a bounce. So if you notice now, I'm incorporating a gentle push down in between my steps. So marching in place with or without a bounce. So no bounce, you're here and marching in place, lifting and lowering that foot off the mat as if you are traveling, as if you are walking, holding onto that stability bar. You might start to feel this at the top of your legs, might start to feel warm. Don't forget about that core. Shoulders back and down. We're not slunched forward, right? Proud chest. Already round 4. If you wanted to try that bounce in between that step, you go for it. Don't hold your breath. You should be able to still talk to me. If you're having a hard time, go back to that house bounce, okay? Tap out here. Tap and out. Tap. Side to side tap outs. So you're just transferring that weight, you're balancing on that standing leg, and you're tapping your toes off to the side. So we did those front heel digs where we were directly in front of the body. Now we're tapping the toes off to the side. A little bit of balance work going on here, coordination, proprioceptions, synapses are firing, lots going on. A little cardiovascular work too. It all works, right? Gentle on the joints and fun. Best part about it, fun. I try to make fitness fun so you keep coming back. And thank you for that. Let's return to a march in place. 3, 2, 1, march in place here. You have 2 more minutes and you've completed day 1 of our 5-day challenge routine, our progressive routine. March, 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 getting those steps in. And if there's no bounce at all, you're here, you're going at your pace. March, lift and lower that foot off the mat completely. Holding on to that stability bar. Today's day 1. I can't wait to hear how you feel after you finish this. Please let me know in the comment section below. Couple of things, what rebounder you have, where you're working out with me from, and how you're liking this 5-day challenge. I really appreciate hearing from you. And last minute here is back to our health bounce. So our health bounce here is helping us lower the heart rate, catch our breathing, bringing things down in a deliberate fashion. We warmed the body up in the beginning, we had the body of the workout, and now we're cooling it down with a health bounce. Flat foot, pushing down into the mat, slight bend in the knees, core in tight, proud chest, shoulders back down away from your ears, and your gaze is forward, and you're holding on to your stability bar. 20 seconds, and you've completed day 1. Breathe, catch your breath. Deep breath in. Nice work. 3, 2, and 1. Congratulations, you finished day 1. So if you are not ready to get off your rebounder, because some people do find stepping off can make them feel a little dizzy, shift your weight from side to side until you feel completely 100% ready. When you're ready, and only when you're ready, holding on to your stability bar, T-bar, and hopefully you have a step for transitioning here. Mine's a Reebok step. Step off and off. I am on the Becan. I will list that in the description box below. In the meantime, please kindly like, share, comment, and subscribe. Those are all free things that you can do that help my channel and our community get picked up by the algorithm so more people can find us. I look forward to seeing you in workout video number 2. Bye for now.
Thank you. you for making your fitness deposit into your wellness tank with me.